Howdy folks, it's Gary back out on the farm. We're doing some more cooking today. We've been cooking a little bit today and doing some gardening. It's about 60 degrees outside. It's wife's birthday and I'm gonna fix her something up that she really likes, but I'm gonna do it with a little twist. If you notice here, we got another little cooking going on there. That's a cast iron Wednesday going on there. And this is going to be a cast iron Wednesday in the future. This is the old Martin Dutch oven that we got going here, and we've got him heating up. And there's something that we like around here that my wife came up with back in probably the 70s or 80s. We call it hamburger patties and tomato sauce. But it's not really tomato sauce. It's more of a gravy than it is a tomato sauce. It's not a spaghetti sauce. It's just a sauce that she came up with. And I asked her what she wanted me to cook her for her birthday, and she said she wanted this. But I'm not going to do it in patties. I'm going to do it in meatballs. So let me go get the stuff. We'll get this thing cooking. All right, we sprayed the inside of that with a little olive oil. And we've got here some ground beef, ground chuck. We like chuck around here. And all I did with these was I made them seasoned with some garlic and salt and pepper. That's it. And we're going to throw them in the old Martin. And we're going to start browning them off. And once we get them browned off, we'll go to step 2. But I'm going to put the lid on it so they'll cook a little bit faster. And I'll bring you back when we get a little further along. I'll have to move you over a little bit. It's in the wind. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah. You want to let them kind of start getting a little bit hard. That's what we're looking for. We want to get them, we don't want to cook them all the way because we're going to put them back in with some other stuff, but we want to get them hard to know that they're starting to cook. Y'all ready to look? Let's look. Oops, we don't want to do that. Yeah, they're getting brown. What we want. We're going to take them out of there. Yeah, they're good and brown. Now all that luscious fat that's in there in them little pieces, here's what we're going to do now. One whole onion. Stir that up there real good. We're going to let that sweat down a little bit. Then we're going to start putting together our gravy. Alright, let's see. Let me get you centered here. There you go. I want everybody to be centered. It's a new year. We need to start off centered, right? Alright, we got our onions. I believe them are sweated down. Let's put this thing together. Oh yeah, they're good. They're somewhat translucent. Alright, to that, we're going to try 2 cans of tomato sauce. Might take 3. Let me see here. Let's see what we got. Nope, that'll do. 2 will do. Kind of stir that in a little bit. To that, We want to add a shot of sriracha. We like a little zing in ours. That'll zing it. We're going to add a little spicy ketchup. I'm going to add some garlic powder. About so. We're going to add some Worcestershire sauce. About like so. And to that, we're going to add a little salt. And now I'm going to give you the secret ingredient. And you can add this to taste. Brown sugar. Yep, that's right. Brown sugar. I know you're thinking, ooh, yuck. Well, you go ahead and try it sometime, see what you think. We'll try it right there for now. This is, again, this is to taste. We're going to mix all that up real good. And we're going to throw our meatballs back in there in the pool. Let me see. Oh yeah, that's just about right. Let me run and get the meatballs. We're going to put them little boogers back in there in the pool and stir them in. And we're going to let that simmer for, man, that's good. That's good, I don't care who you are. Hang on. A little more sriracha. You can do this with hamburger patties or you can do it with meatballs. I'm just trying it with meatballs. And I'm doing it outside where I can enjoy the beautiful weather that the Lord has blessed us with today. Let's put the lid back on there. I've got to go get some smashed taters ready and we'll let that cook for a while. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, there. Begin to thicken up a little bit. It's been going about 20 minutes now. The meatballs are good and done. Try to cut one. Check it out. Yeah, they're done. It's all good. It's all good. Well, I went all day without dropping anything. And then I dropped a spoon. Hey, appreciate y'all watching. This is my cast iron Wednesday. That's Mama's special recipe there. It's her birthday today, and I love her, and I want her to have what she wants, and that's what she wanted for supper. So that's what we're having: some mashed potatoes and some corn, and I made some crunchy bread. Hey, thank y'all for watching. Like, subscribe, all that other good stuff. Be careful, be safe out there. See you next time.